Bakit hindi mo sinasagot ang mga tawag ko? Gagawin ko ang lahat, huwag mo lang akong iwan. Please, gagawin ko ang lahat, huwag mo lang akong iwan.
Did I tell you to stop? Wala na tayong aayusin. You're crazy. You're nagger. Ayaw ko na nga, okay? Tapos na.
Hold up! Ikaw yung nag-respect. Huwag siya sinuwan yung ganyan.
Huwag kang makialam. Ikaw nga wala kang boyfriend. You know nothing. Okay? So shut up.
No! You shut up!
Hindi mo ako kilala.
Hey, I'm serious. Can you let your heart rest for a while? Don't make it easy for them. Don't be so attainable.
But I don't want to be like you. You're so high above that no one can reach you.
Hi girls.
Hello!
I forgot your name. Ano name mo din?
Dina.
Dina and Luke. Buwan na lang.
Sorry, but I can't.
Okay, if you change your mind, I'm going to be on your mind.
So how did you get into underwater photography?
Actually, I just discovered it by accident. Someone told me that.
Maybe you can go there with me later?
Later?
Yes?
You know what? I already died this night. I'm sorry. I love...
Love, are you sure that it's created a name?
Yes, 100% sure.
What's wrong, Ma? I said, family only. Ma, she got me family someday.
We saw Rachel at New Year, and she was too perfect for Justin. Mom, no offense meant. Nothing.
Trust me, Rachel is far from perfect. You know what's perfect for me? Why you? Will you marry me?
Hi, best friend-in-law. Finally, we're meeting next year.
I'm so excited to meet you finally in person. Are you ready for the wedding?
Of course, gusto ko maging maid of honor.
Oh, hi. Are you okay?
Yes, I just realized that Justin is Mariel's best friend now. Sana lang mayroon pa rin akong lugar sa buhay niya.
Trouble someone else din?
Ho, sa'yo?
Why not? Welcome to the family, Dina. Finally, my brother has something other than work.
Grabe, no? Before, you want my mother to adopt you para maging magkapatid tayo, tapos ngayon, we're going to be a real sisters.
Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Come on now!
Hey, I call you back.
I'm pregnant,
You're gonna be a mom.
and you're gonna be a dad.
Someone have to do it man front. Taong naniwala at naging partner in crime ko. No other than Mama Helen! Sikat.
I know you love me, I know you care. Just show me never, and I'll be there. I know you care. Just show me never. Bakit ba?
Kung magkakalat ka lang dito, hindi sana hindi ka na nagpunta. Sorry. Bakit ka ba ganyan?
sorry, I don't know.
Huwag kang magbait-baitan, nakakapagod. Magpakatotoo ka.
Sorry na nga, di ba?
Bakit ka ba nagagalit? Huwag mo kong tinatalikuran.
Nakunan ako!
Sticks and stones may break our bones, but our bond won't be broken. We'll overcome and it's just begun. Forgive whatever happened. Look how far battles we have.
Unan ka, so dapat tumigil ang mundo naming lahat. Ilang buwan nang nakalipas. Choice mong hindi mag-move on.
Nandito na ako. Sinusuportahan na kita. Masaya ka na?
Taga? Thank you ha. Ramdam na ramdam ko.
Don't be sarcastic!
Huwag ka ring plastic.
Ingit ako. Kasi kayong dalawa ang magkaibigan. Kasi nagbago ka.
Kung ako dahil yun ang gusto mo, di ba? Paulit-ulit mong pinaramdam sa akin na wala akong kwentang tao. Kaya inayos ko ang sarili ko. Tapos ngayon, hindi mo kayang maging masaya para sa akin?
Mali ka.
Wow! Mali na naman ako. Kasi ikaw ang palaging tama. Gano'y kinasal ako, ikaw yung nag-iba. Hindi na kaibigan ang turing mo sa akin. Kalaban mo ko. Yun ang tingin mo sa akin.
I don't want to carry my burdens. I won't ask you anything more from you.
Mariel!
Not happy anymore.
Okay. Hindi ka na masaya. So anong plano?
I focus on my photography. Are you afraid that I won't be able to provide for you?
Sanay ako sa hirap, Justin. Hindi yun yung point.
Then what's the point? What is so wrong that I followed my heart and I wanna do something that I'm passionate about? So finally, I can be happy.
Exactly. Ang iniisip mo lang ay ang happiness mo. Ang sarili mo. It's so unfair. Tama na rin na wala tayong anak.
You blame me, don't you? I never wanted to lose our baby. Kung alam ko lang na magbabagyo, then go ahead, blame me.
Wala ang anak natin kung hindi mo akong pinilit na magtagal doon.
Sinabi mo sa akin, okay lang di ba?
Sinabi mo sa akin na babalik ka kaagad. Pero hindi mo tinupad ang sinabi mo. Dahil ano, you were happy? Tapos nakalimutan mo na may asawa kang buntis naghihintay sa'yo. Hello, Ma?
But now we're left with nothing. I just can't leave it all behind. How can I turn back the time? You won't be
Wala na si Vinny. Bumagsak yung airplane na sinasakyan niya.
No! It can't! No! I'm sorry. Kasalanan ko. Hindi ko siya pinilit na umuwi. Buhay pa sana siya.
Your silence tells a lie. I knew I did you wrong. Knew I did is wrong. Don't know how to say things right.
Vinny, I miss you. I miss you so much.
And they found out that you are pregnant. Nawala man si Benny. Bumalik siya sa baby. Thank you, Lord!
I got my period before Benny died.
What?
Nasaktan ako, namatay ang asawa ko. Lasing ako. I haven't sex with a guy for a long time. 3 sa isang araw. So I don't know who the father is. You can tell Mama Helen. Kaya umalis ka na. Hindi ko kailangan ng presensya mo.
Bakit di niya tinawagan?
Justin, don't say anything. I'm begging you. She doesn't need to know what happened to us. it doesn't mean anything.
Marine, please, let me explain. I'm so sorry.
You can't leave my son. He needs you, and the baby needs you too. Oh, you can't leave. Fix him. You broke him. It's all your fault. Excuse me. I'm done with you.
Marine,
Mariel, I'm sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya.
Umalis ka na! Please, nagmamakaawa ako. Umalis ka na!
Dear Ninang Mami, my name is Marina. Sabi ni Mama, you're my ninang. Sabi din ni Mama, ikaw ang pinakamabait na tao sa mundo. On my 7th birthday, winish ko kay Mama na umuwi kami from Norway. Pero hindi ko sinabi na gusto kitang makita. My mama is sick, sabi ng doktor. May cancer daw si Mama pero ayaw niya magpagamot. Ayaw din niya ng help. Help, Ninang. Gusto ko maging strong na ulit si Mami. Ayaw ko ng sad na Mama. Please come here. Make my Mama smile again. You're my only hope, Ninang. Love, Marina.
Kumusta ka? Okay naman, ikaw. Okay din. Not until I receive your daughter's letter. She convinced me na magpakay mo pa. Bakit ayaw mo? Your child is begging you.
Sorry sa lahat ng mga ginawa ko.
Hindi to ang rason kung bakit hindi kami nagkatuluyan.
Ano ba ang dapat kong gawin para bumalik tayo sa dati?
Kalimutan mo na yun. Ang importante, nagkita tayo ulit. But this time, with your daughter. I love you, Dina.
I love you too, Mariel.